Kaihan. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to wash the car, right? Yes. And Kaihan going to buy some toys. Yay! Let's go. You put it like this, and here, like this, like that. Oh, hey, let's go. Så, ja, Kaihan kan. And again, Kaihan, again. Ja. He knows everything. So he's doing the first base now. Just washing the ball. He's actually really good at this. We can Let's go! For a first try, washing a car, he's pretty good. Look at this. Kaihan, I think we are done. I think that's all for today. Nej, Kaihan! You want that one?
Yes. Yes.
You want that one? Barbie? You want this one?
No.
You want that one? What is it?
No.
You want the bubble thing? So it's been a long day.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
But we had so much fun today, right?
Yes.
So, what next?
Yeah.
We're going home.
Yes.
But we're just chilling now. Going to eat something, right?
Yeah.
I will see you next time.
Bye.
Keep your head up. Like, subscribe, and a thumbs up. I see you next time.